Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the app Denim. Denim can make various artwork for your playlist. Make great artwork that will help you know what your playlist is and not just some random album logos smashed together or whatever. Actually know what your playlist is. So this is a cool new app that obviously just does what I said, make custom playlist artwork. And this should work for Spotify. You should be able to use this artwork in other platforms as well. So let's get into it. Denim is free on the iOS App Store. You can download it, and once you have it, you can make and use it for free. There are features that you have to pay for, but it's usable free. So here we go. This is the front page, and you can choose an artwork to make yours. This is the main page. And then top left, there are settings, not a whole bunch of options, which you don't need a whole bunch for this. It talks about Denim Pro, and you get more covers and various other things. So let's choose the artwork and make one for ourselves. So here's some of the free stuff. Swirl, classic, ingredients. Here's playlist category like moods and scenes, celebrations, genres, decades. Moods and scenes they'll want you to unlock with Denim Pro. It looks like most of these are preset, and I don't think you can edit those, but some you'll probably be able to edit. It looks like these ones, you'll maybe be able to edit them to some degree, but the basic idea stays the same, kind of like with the stars in the background and astronaut. You probably can just edit the text. But anyway, let's go to the ones that are free. We'll go to Swirl. And you get the idea of the various ones. I think I'm going to do this one. You can double tap it to change the name of it. And I'm going to say my faves. Then you push add cover to playlist. And you can either tap Apple Music or Spotify. I'm going to go to Spotify, and it says Spotify mobile app does not support adding playlist covers, but yet it does. So just say don't show this again, share cover, and you'll want to save image. Push OK, get out of that, go to Spotify, go to the playlist you want to change, and you go to edit, and then you will tap the image. Choose from library, push choose, and there it is. Then you'd push save, and then that's it. So it does work. I don't know why they say it doesn't work, but it really does. So even though it can't go directly to the app, what you'll just do is get out of that pop-up that comes up and say okay or don't show this again. Then share it like I just showed you so that you save it to your photos. And then you can go to Spotify and edit your playlist and edit the photo, so that you can change it, and then it'll bring up a list of options, and then you'll pick your photo library. And then you'll tap on your photo and push save, and you're good to go. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you thought it was a help to you. This is a great app. It's a nice idea. It looks like it's not super custom, but they have a lot of preset stuff that will be nice to have. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like. Comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you thought this was helpful. Anyway, guys, have a good rest of your day.